all your commitment, passion, and dedication to help our students learn. And for our movers and graduates, congratulations. May you continue to shine and inspire whatever and wherever you go. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat. Magandang umaga po.
Health spiraled. My strength was tested beyond anything I imagined. I cried in silence way too many times. I asked myself, para ba talaga ako sa psikolohiya? I doubted myself. I broke down. But I kept going. And now, here I am, still standing. Not because I was strong all the time, but because I was never alone. During our freshman orientation, our department had told us something that stayed with me until now. Don't just survive, thrive. Because surviving means you are barely getting by. But thriving means you are growing, you are evolving, and you are becoming. And yes, I graduated as a cum laude, but more than that, I learned to stand, how to keep going even when things are uncertain, and how to believe in myself, even when it was hard. Parents, guardians, this part is for you po. There were days when I wanted to give up, but the thought of my family, their sacrifices, and their belief in me, that was what kept me going. Your presence, your support, your love, it matters more than you think. Graduates and completers, if your parents or guardians are here today, if you can, give them a smile or a small wave, because this victory is not just yours, it's theirs too. I remember writing this in one of my theories of personality journal. I am a manifestation of the love, support, and belief of the people who walked with me in my journey. And that is something I want you all to remember. Choose your people wisely, because the people around you will either lift you or limit you. Even if Wisdom Academy gave me people I still treasure to this day. Friendships that remain despite distance. Bonds that lasted beyond classrooms. And as I continued my journey, I carried not just my dreams, but also the people who believed in me. Today, I work in a company I once thought was too far for me to reach. I remember applying without expectations. I just wanted to try. All I had was my internship, my character, and my willingness to learn to back me up. And I got in. I am the youngest in my team, both in age and experience. The quiet girl from senior high now interviews people every day. I talk non-stop. I help decide if candidates are fit for the job. I even train new hires. From someone who was once too afraid to commute alone, to someone who now helps shape people's careers. Life has a funny way of surprising you. I became someone I never imagined I could be. Am I still scared? Definitely yes. But I am also excited, because growth will always feel unfamiliar. My life changed, and it can change for you too. Which brings me to the theme of today's celebration. Filipino graduates, prepared to lead with competence and character. Do you think leaders are only the loud ones? I think not. Some leaders are quiet, some leaders are unsure. Some leaders are still figuring things out. But wait, but what makes a leader is this: the competence, the willingness to learn, to grow, and to try again. And their character, the courage to stand firm in your values even when things are difficult. Your background does not define your limits. Your fears do not disqualify you. Your doubts do not make you less capable. So before I end, I want you to do one last thing for me. Graduates, place your hand on your chest. Feel that heartbeat. That heartbeat, that is the proof that you are still here, still trying, still becoming. And that is more than enough. Because one day you will look back at this version of yourself, the one who was unsure, the one who was afraid, and you will realize this was the version of you that started everything. So go out there, be brave, be kind, be the leader your future needs. And when the world makes you feel like you are not enough, prove it wrong by becoming more than you ever thought you could be. Congratulations, class of 2026. This is just the beginning. And padayon everyone. Thank you so much.
Plaster? Tanggal. Yun ba yung dulas?
And to give another inspirational message, let us watch a video greetings from our Secretary of Department of Education, Secretary Sunny Angar.
Congratulations po sa lahat ng ating mga gumag-graduate o nagtatapos ngayong araw. Siyempre sa inyong mga pamilya, mga kaibigan, mga kaeskwela, at siyempre sa mga nagturo sa inyo, ang inyong mga guro, mga principals, mga teaching staff. Salamat din po sa inyo. Alam namin maraming kwento ng sakripisyo, hindi lang ng inyong mga sarili, kundi yung mga tumulong po sa inyo. So, susunod na kayo sa susunod na yugto ng inyong buhay, and we wish you luck. Kami lahat sa department, we're rooting for you. We're very proud of you, at alalahanin lagi na maging bukas sa bagong knowledge, sa pagtuto, sa bagong mga pamamaraan, other ways of learning. So definitely, para maging matagumpay sa buhay, kailangan lifelong learners po tayo. So congratulations muli mula sa amin sa DepEd family, sa inyong pamilya. Kami natutuwa dito sa inyong pagtapos, at sana'y di kayo magsawa sa inyong learning journey, at patuloy ang inyong pagtagumpay sa buhay. So God bless, mabuhay po kayo.
Another inspirational message coming from our 3rd District Representative, Honorable Adrian J. Advincula.
Isang maligayang pagbati sa ating mga graduates at completers ng school year 2025 to 2026. Sa araw na ito, hindi lamang tayo nagdiriwang ng pagtatapos ng mga aralin sa loob ng silid-aralan. Ipinagdiriwang natin ang inyong tagumpay, ang bunga ng inyong pagod at pagsisikap na matuto sa kabila ng mga hamon ng panahon. Ngunit hindi magiging posible ang tagumpay na ito kung wala ang mga taong nagsilbing inyong gabay. Sa ating mga magulang, saludo po ako sa lahat ng inyong mga sakripisyo. Ang bawat pagsusumikap po ninyo ay naging pundasyon ng pangarap ng inyong mga anak. Sa ating mga guro, salamat po sa inyong dedikasyon na hubugin hindi lamang ang talino, kundi pati na rin ang karakter ng ating mga kabataang inosente. Sa ating mga graduates, tandaan ninyo na ang tunay na tagumpay sa buhay ay pinagsusumikapan at pinaghihirapan. Walang shortcut patungo sa inyong mga pangarap. Ang bawat tagumpay na inyong makakamit ay kailangang pagtrabahuhan at pagsumikapan. Huwag kayong matakot mapagod. Huwag kayong matakot magkamali. Dahil ang bawat sakripisyo at bawat oras ng inyong pagsisikap ang siyang magiging matibay na pundasyon ng inyong kinabukasan. Patuloy kayong magsumikap, patuloy kayong lumaban, at patuloy kayong mangarap. Muli, maligayang pagtatapos sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang mga graduates ng lungsod ng Imus, mabuhay ang mga kabataang Imusete.
Another inspirational message coming from our Imus City Mayor, Honorable Alex Advincula.
Congratulations, graduates, batch 2026. Binabati ko ang bawat isang kimusenyo nagsisipagtapos ngayong taon. Ang inyong pagpupusigi sa pag-aaral ay kahanga-hanga. Alam namin na hindi naging madali ang inyong mga pinagdaanan. Ngunit, nanatili kayong katatag at sa wakas ay nagbunga ang inyong mga sakripisyo para makatapos. Ang pagtatapos ng yugtong ito ay nangangahulugan ding magbubukas ang panibagong kabanata ng inyong mga buhay, kung saan may mga panibagong pagsubok kayong haharapin. Panibagong mga taong makikilala, panibagong mga alaala na mabubuo at panibagong pag-asa sa inyong buhay. Kami sa pamahalang lungsod ng Imus ay buong pusong sumusuporta sa pagkamit ng inyong mga pangarap. Hangad din namin sa darating na panahon ay isa kayo sa mga mamumuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao para sa bayan. Damhin ninyo ang tagumpay na ito at huwag hayaang mawala ang nag-aalam ninyong mga pusong tungo sa mas maliwanag na kinabukasan. Muli, congratulations, pagpalain kayo ng may kapal at mabuhay kayong lahat. Maraming salamat.
Now we celebrate the hard-earned success of the dear students who navigated the challenges of this academic school year. This is reflected in their faces as they look forward to receiving their diplomas. To present the candidates for graduation, I invite our esteemed school head, Ms. Maria Lea P. Vicente, to the stage. Following this, the convocation of the graduates will be performed by our Revert School Administrator, Dr. Nes P. Alegre.
Good morning. It's my honor to present to you the movers, completers, and graduates for school year 2025-2026. For pre-kinder, consists of 4 boys and 2 girls. For our kindergarten, we have 13 boys and 8 girls. A total of 27 movers. For grade 6, we have 11 boys
Scholarship, di ba kailangan?
and 14 girls. A total of 25 movers. For grade 10, we have 15 boys and 19 girls. A total of 34 completers. For our senior high school, grade 12, we have 10 boys and 21 girls. A total of 31 graduates. So, I ask Doc Nespo to confirm our movers, completers, and graduates. Thank you.
I, Dr. Nes P. Alegre, by the powers vested in me by the Department of Education, do hereby confirm the moving up of our movers and the completion of our grade 6 and the graduation of our senior high school students. Congratulations, movers, completers, and graduates.
Boter Calix Jibriel D.
Nakayo si Sandy ah.
Lovino Aki Christoph T. Ilagan Cristel Joyce T. Labraque Sandra J. Potestades Samantha Faith A. Dario Florina Danila O. Villamonte Chanel. Villegas Amber Chelsea S. Next is to graduate for grade 12 Humanities and Social Sciences. Asuncion Ingrid M. Cruz Micaela Jade M. Sarmiento Ayesha Paula L. Victor Mir Jade M. the graduates from grade 12, Technical Vocational Livelihood, Home Economics. Cruz Josh Angelo B. Garcia John Matthew M. Malate John Adrian A. Pablo First KD. And Cabo Joyce Andrea G. Felizardo Laicashane C. Gaviola Quincy B. Kamantige Jurgens A. Ilustrísimo Ella M. Nabuag Nian Nika P. Nepomuceno Maria Felicity Grace B. Next is a graduate from grade 12 TVL, Information, Communications, and Technology. Cueva Brandon Lay B. Francis, our Assistant School Administrator, Doc Im, our guest speaker, Miss Princess Diana, and our school head, Miss Maria Lea P. Vicente, to award the medals and certificates to our achievers. Let's start the awarding of medals and certificates for the achievers of pre-kinder PU. So may I call on stage their advisor, Miss Claire Villanueva, to join our administration and our guest speaker to award the medals and certificates. Boter Calix Jibril D. with honors, Best in Language Award, and Best in Conduct Award. Delofino Aki Christoph D. with honors, Star Reader Award, Budding Mathematician Award, and Brave Soul Award. Lucerna Bellatriz Andara M. with honors, Awesome Artist Award, and Tenacious Striver Award. Ponayo Georgiana Aislinn M. with honors, Best in Filipino, Eager Beaver Award. Lubos Elijah Javion S. Cheerful Soul Award and Golden Heart Award. Zulweta Rain Johan B. Budding Scientist Award and Determined Kid Award. Congratulations to our pre-kinder achievers. Now let's move on to the awarding of medals and certificate to our kindergarten Garfield.
I shine so bright. I'm a little star glowing light. With every step, I find my way, growing strong each day. Looking up, the sky is so wide. I'm a little star full of pride. With every dream, with all I do, shining bright for all of you. 1, 2, 3, little star, watch me shine near and far. In Milky Way, I light the way.
The days were long, the nights were tough. We dreamed, we prayed, and that was enough. Through every test, through every fight, we found our way, we reached the light. And now we stand with heads held high. With grateful hearts, we testify. For every step, we know it's true. Our teachers and parents, we thank you. We made it through, together we shine. Our dreams are here, the future's mine. With love and faith, we'll see it through. This victory belongs to you. We made it through, together we shine. Our dreams are here, the future's mine. With love and faith. With every challenge, we're unafraid. For in our hearts, the foundations lay. This is our time, our moments to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. Through every storm, through every fight, we found our way, we've seen the light. Now we are ready to take new flight, with hearts on fire, burning bright. This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright. Pagkakaibigan. Aking ulitin itong mahabang dahil sa kada yugto ng ating paglalakbay. Wala kong babaguhin ni isang detalye. Sa dami ba naman ng sinong magkasabay? Sa pagpadya ng kulimlim na tinadhana, ay magmamaliwating ang magunita.
Okay. Sige po, kayo muna. Cellphone muna. Cellphone muna. Cellphone muna. Kayo muna. Ako naman. Okay, pagkatapos ng cellphone, ako naman. Okay, patago lang po yung ulo. Okay. Okay, tingin lang po sa camera. Okay, smile. Oh, sorry. One more. Waki naman, waki. Waki na, waki. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Grade 12. Before we end our program, may we request everyone to please rise.
Sa aming pag-aaral. Sa araw na pong ito ng aming pagtatapos Ama, kami po'y kinikilala ka sa inyong patuloy na pagtupad ng pagbigay at pagbigay ng lakas, sipag at talino sa amin upang makamit namin ang tagumpay na ito. Ama, maraming salamat po na sa inyong walang sawang pag-iingat at pag-akay po sa amin sa kahit anumang problema na aming matamo. Salamat po na binayayaan niyo po kami ng mga guro na tumulong at humugpo sa amin talino at sa aming kakayanan sa loob ng eskwelahang ito. Patuloy na po sana niyo kaming gabayan sa susunod na yugto ng aming buhay at naway magamit po namin ang lahat ng aming natutunan sa eskwelahang ito, hindi lamang para sa aming sarili, kundi lalo na po sa nakukaluluwalhati ng iyong banal na pangalan. Ama, tulungan niyo na po sana kami na patuloy na maging mapakumbaba, masunurin at matatag na mga estudyante sa aming pamilya at sa inyo po, Ama. Amin na pong ipinagkakatiwala ang kinabukasan namin sa inyo. Lahat na yo'y magalang po naming hinihiling sa pangalan ng Panginoong Hesus, ang dakilan nating tagapagligtas. Amen.
As we reach the conclusion of this auspicious ceremony, new opportunities and challenges await our graduates. As they embark on their life's next journey, may they look back on this milestone with fondness and pride. With hearts full of pride and gratitude, we now prepare to formally conclude this program. May the inspiration and joy we have shared today continue to live in each one of us. This marks the end of our moving up and commencement exercises for the school year 2025-2026. Thank you so much, and once again, congratulations and have a nice day to each and everyone. Maraming salamat po.
Let's go po natin! Sige, tara na, inuhan mo yan.
Ma'am, buli ka na ito, ma'am.
Ma'am! Don't cry, ma'am!
Ma'am!
Sa mga graduates po ng parents, pray po po tayo. So, please, thank you.
Yung mga kalat po natin, huwag po natin iiwanan sa mga pinag-iwan po natin kasi may susunod pa po program.